Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to this Floki update today. So Floki is continuing on to take very big leaps to the upside, and we haven't seen Floki stopping at all. You may have noticed that Floki and PayPay had a very similar chart pattern on the Binance. If you look at Floki right now, and if I showed you PayPay, which is on Binance, you can see how similar they actually looked. This one and a breakup, okay. We saw this a break to the upside, and now when you did that, we saw that Floki made a sideways movement. So you pretty much came up and you made this sideways movement, creating in a flag. So if we consider this flag here, or you may say a bull pennant right there, so we could actually say that after the break, Floki is ready to come up to this technical target, which has not been met, and that's actually going to be 49 something right over here. Now, this is of course with the logarithmic scale turned on. If we turn it off, then I think the target is pretty much met. So if you go from this place to that place, you can see that it actually came up to that target pretty much right over there. So the target with the logarithmic scale turned off is actually 26552, and that actually has been met. But if you turn it on, because these are two things and there's a lot of confusion among traders as what you should do, I think you should actually check with the logarithmic scale turned on and off as well. So when it was off, this target, which was 26,000, it has actually been met. Now the furthest you can move with the logarithmic scale turned on is to 49,205. So what I can say is take partial profit here and maybe use some stop losses later on if it doesn't actually go up, and if you have a little bit extra holding, sell it up here. And unless you don't have another pattern to continue, we're going to talk about that in the future. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.